2025, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are no longer just a buzzword. They've evolved into a mainstream method for making money online. If you're still on the fence about NFTs, let me tell you, this is the new digital gold rush. Whether you're an artist, a gamer, or just someone looking for the next big thing, NFTs have opened doors to endless opportunities. So let's dive into how you can make money with NFTs this year. First, let's break it down. What exactly is an NFT? In simple terms, an NFT is a unique digital asset stored on a blockchain. It could be anything from art, music, and videos to virtual land and in-game items. The key thing that separates NFTs from regular digital files is their uniqueness. Think of it as owning a one-of-a-kind piece of art. But instead of hanging it on your wall, you own it in the digital realm, and it's stored securely on the blockchain. Now, let's talk about how people are making money with NFTs. One of the most obvious ways is by creating and selling NFTs. If you're an artist, graphic designer, or even a photographer, you can create digital works and sell them as NFTs. Platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, and Mintable make it easy for you to mint, create your own NFTs, and sell them directly to buyers. There are even niche platforms for specific industries, like music NFTs on Catalog, or gaming NFTs on Immutable X. But here's the kicker. It's not just about creating art. It's about creating something that resonates with people. Think of it like any other form of art or collectibles. It's about demand. In the world of NFTs, there's a huge market for rare, unique, and one-of-a-kind items. The rarer it is, the more valuable it becomes. Take Bored Ape Yacht Club, for instance. These unique, hand-drawn apes have sold for millions, not because they're just digital art, but because owning one gives you status, exclusivity, and sometimes even access to exclusive events or communities. Another way to make money with NFTs is by flipping them. This is like buying and reselling, but in the digital world. If you can spot trends early, you could buy an NFT at a relatively low price, hold onto it for a while, and sell it for a huge profit later. For example, back in 2021, people were buying NFTs for as little as a few $100s, only to see them appreciate in value to tens or hundreds of thousands. Of course, flipping NFTs requires a keen eye for value, understanding market trends, and a bit of luck. But if you get it right, it can be incredibly profitable. If you're not an artist or a collector, don't worry. You can still make money from NFTs. One of the hottest trends is NFT staking. Yes, you heard that right. Just like staking cryptocurrency, some NFT projects allow you to stake your NFTs in exchange for rewards. It's similar to earning interest on a savings account, but in the digital world. NFT staking is a great way to passively earn money while holding on to valuable assets. And more projects are incorporating this feature as NFTs become more integrated into the DeFi, decentralized finance ecosystem. Let's not forget about gaming. The gaming industry has embraced NFTs in a big way. Games like Axie Infinity and The Sandbox let players earn NFTs through gameplay. These could be characters, skins, or land plots, all of which can be sold or traded. In 2025, we're seeing more mainstream games adopting NFTs, giving players a chance to earn real money while they play. And the best part? You don't need to be a professional gamer to take advantage of this. As long as you're passionate and have time to invest in learning, gaming NFTs could be a great way to start earning. Another area where NFTs are booming is virtual real estate. Yes, you can buy and sell digital land in virtual worlds like Decentraland and Somnium Space. The idea is simple. Just like physical real estate, digital land has value, and its worth increases as the platform grows and more people engage with it. You can buy, sell, or even develop virtual properties, and the returns can be significant. In 2025, virtual land has become so valuable that companies and celebrities are investing heavily in it, setting the stage for the next big wave in the digital economy. One of the most fascinating aspects of the NFT world in 2025 is how brands and influencers are jumping on the bandwagon. Companies are using NFTs for loyalty programs, limited edition merchandise, and even as a way to engage with their fans. Imagine owning an NFT that gives you exclusive access to a brand's products or services. That's happening right now. The real-world utility of NFTs is becoming clearer, and businesses are using them as powerful tools to create deeper connections with their customers. So, if you're a brand or a marketer, NFTs could be your ticket to a new, innovative way of reaching your audience. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't the NFT market a bubble? It's a fair question. Like any new technology or trend, there's always risk. However, the fact that big companies, celebrities, and institutions are continuing to invest in NFTs indicates that they're here to stay. The key is to approach the market with caution. Do your research, understand the project you're getting involved with, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose. NFTs, like any asset, require smart investing. To wrap it up, 2025 is the year where NFTs go from a niche hobby to a legitimate way to make money online. Whether you're creating, collecting, flipping, or staking, the opportunities are endless. As the market continues to evolve, it's becoming clear that NFTs aren't just a passing trend. They're a new way of owning and interacting with digital assets. So if you're ready to dive in, now is the time to start exploring the world of NFTs. Get creative, learn the ropes, and who knows, your digital gold mine could be just one click away. If this video got you excited about NFTs, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on how to make money online. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below and let's get the conversation going. Until next time, keep exploring the digital frontier. And remember, in the world of NFTs, the only limit is your imagination.